Just like a sad song on a rainy day, just like a heartache that will go away. All I ever know.
Hi, hello, it's Becca. So today's video should be fun. Today I'm going to be styling the clothes that I hate. Now hate is a strong word. I don't hate these clothes, but I don't like them. They're just clothes that have been out of trend for a while, or I just haven't worn them in a while. Also, some of them are really hard to style, but I really just wanted to give them a second chance before I donate them. And I never thought I'd be saying this before I'm 20 years deep into a long marriage gone stale, but I want to bring the spark back. So today's video should be a challenge. I hope you enjoy watching me struggle. So the first item that I'm gonna be attempting to style are these pants. These were thrifted for $2. I thought they were such a steal. I got them when I was really into slacks, so kind of like formal, more formal kind of pants. I think the problem with these is that they're in this light grey color that's actually really hard to match with other things, like more than you'd think. So I actually haven't worn these in a really long time. Hi, it's the next day because I ran out of time yesterday. Hi. Yeah. So today, oh my god, quite like my makeup today though. So this is what I came up with for the pants. Now the thing is that I've planned out these outfits, but I haven't actually worn them. So I'm seeing now that the other reason why I haven't worn these pants in a while is because it's really loose around the waist. It's a bit big for me, so I'm going to use a belt to help cinch that in. I'm going to take this belt with a circle buckle thingy, and I'm going to just put that through. Yeah, that's way better. I went with a black one so that it suits the overall look and just keeps it kind of simple. But you could totally go with a more unique one like this. It's a transparent one with a heart buckle, and I got it from Yes Style. I know some people would prefer the black one, but I feel like this one's more me. So I'm gonna go with this for the belt. And for other accessories, I'm gonna grab a middle snap clip like this and just put it in the hair. One more? Yeah. This side, this side, this side. Okay, like this. For shoes, I think I'm going to go with my old dreads to kind of toughen it up a bit more. And I also picked one that has silver hardware on it so that it matches the other stuff that I've got going on. And I'm thinking it might look better if I roll up the cuffs. And yeah. And I'll just put in a pearl bracelet, adding a cute little bag like this. Won't hurt. This white crop t-shirt, and I layered it with a black and white gingham top over it. This one's from Zaful. I went with black and white because since grey is like a middle shade of black and white, it's kind of like the foolproof way to color match. Pretty stoked with how this outfit turned out. We're off to a good start.
Just like a treasure that you cannot read. I pancake pie, I can never please you. Something strange.
This angle makes my head look so big. And the next item that I'll be styling is this jumper. You might remember that it was a trend a few years back. I want to say around 5 years back. I literally can't even remember. If you are in New Zealand, you might know a shop called Valley Girl. That's where I got it from. I have seen a few people bring them back, which is good. I think with this, apart from being out of trend for ages, it's a bit of an unflattering length. It's just kind of like right above the hips, but it's also still really fuzzy and cute, and it's this nice white color, so maybe I can make it work. Ugh, this video is a mess, and so am I. At least it's sticking with the theme of the video because I literally hate everything about it. I stuck a little silver heart thingy on today, but honestly most of the time it just comes up as a black dot like a mole. So this is the base for the second outfit, pre-accessories. Honestly, I kind of cheated with this one because when I was buying the skirt, the model was styled with a top that looked really similar to this one. So that's where I got my inspiration from. I paired it with a skirt that is also white. It's one of my favorite skirts from Stylenanda, and it's got some cool design elements going on that I thought paired with like the texture of the jumper will make a really interesting and not boring white outfit. The two whites are like slightly different shades, but it doesn't bother me as much as I thought it would. For accessories, I decided to go with the white ankle boots to match the all white outfit. They're pointed at the front and they've got a bit of a heel as well. For the bag, I was thinking just a white belt bag like this. It's really small and really doesn't fit anything, but do I look 12 years old? It is a fine line.
Still I can't get enough. You fill my heart like a glove.
Next I have these. You might have seen a few older middle-aged men wearing them while on vacation or occasionally on a sunny afternoon. Yes, they are knee-length khaki shorts that I own. I don't know, I was just shopping online and the models just make everything look so good, and I'm really impressionable, so effortless and so like casual and relaxed but also cute, like kind of tomboyish. Anyways, I loved it when I first got it, but I think I've only worn it once, and I posted the outfit on my Instagram along with a meme that's it's like the My Daddy Will Sue You starter pack, which is a meme kind of making fun of like the privileged white boys who come from like rich families. These shorts were a staple of that look. And I was kind of making fun of my outfit as well, just because it was funny that I was actually wearing them. But ever since then, I can't unsee the My Daddy Will Sue You look. And I haven't been wanting to wear it since then. However, if they can be styled well, they actually do have the potential to be like a really nice modest pair of shorts for the summer. Okay, let me explain. So with the My Daddy Will Sue kind of look, I thought that it is a classic look for a reason, so I decided to kind of remake it myself. So I was thinking about polo shirts that I have, and I thought of this one. But yeah, something's a little bit off. It just didn't turn out to be what I was kind of going for. Oh god, I'm dressed like a little boy, and he's not a very cool one. So a change of plan and a rescue mission. I've changed it to this white t-shirt. It's got like a beige print on it that's a similar color to the pants. And then we're going to layer this gingham brown button-up shirt on top of it. And now it's just giving me a really relaxed kind of vacation vibe, so I'm going to go with these casual, pretty plain black slides. And probably just the backpack again.
I'm not sure if it's working. I think about you too much.
The fourth piece of clothing that I hate is this jacket. It is a tweed jacket. I bought this around 5 years ago at a Korean department store, and I don't think I've worn it ever. Yeah, it actually still has the tag on. I'm not exactly sure why. I think it's because I'm worried it might make me look very grandma-esque, but like, it's not like that's ever stopped me before. Maybe it's like the frilly feathering kind of detail around the neckline or something that makes it a little bit too fancy. And also maybe it's because it's a crop length, and I do actually prefer longer jackets better, so maybe that's another reason why. It looks a little something like this. I'm so sorry about all the lighting changes. It's all part of the experience. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna buy some lights soon. Oh, okay, kind of fits the mood though. So this is how I styled the jacket. Obviously a bit more of a formal look. And underneath I've just worn this knitted lilac long sleeve. And it's got some really cute lettuce edge detailing. And for the pants I've gone with another lilac color. They're very slim fit formal pants. And they are slightly different shades again, but in this case I actually prefer it because then it doesn't look so like jumpsuity. I wanted the base to be a bit more sleek and simple so that when I put the jacket on top, the jacket can stand out. Also the jacket is very cool toned overall. It's got like navy and black and silver. So I went with something like this lilac that is also very cool toned so that it suits well together. So if you can see, it's very sparkly because it's got these metallic bits sewn in. For shoes, I'm just going to go with some simple pointy ankle strap heels. For jewelry, I'm just going to go with some earrings. I think these will suit. They are of like similar color. I don't want to tie it. And I put kind of a low ponytail like that, but not too low. It's still got a bit of life in it, if you know what I mean. And for the bag, I just grabbed a black bag that I had. It's this really fluffy one, and I haven't used it yet, so it's still got the tag on. So that concludes this video for styling the items that I hate. I think it was mildly successful. I actually didn't get through all of the clothes that I had planned. I think I only went about halfway, but I think the video is getting a bit too long, so I'm just going to end it there. This video was pretty challenging, but also fun for me to make, and I hope it encouraged you guys to take a look at some of the old pieces in your closet and give them a little bit of love and help you come up with some new outfits and ideas with the clothes that you already have. I'm also planning to do a styling the clothes that I love video, so please look out for that as well. And I guess I'll see you then. Bye! Bye!